So here's the breaking news that the dreams of becoming of Modi government, the wish guru, has just got the reality check from their very own best friend Donald Trump, because Donald Trump says that yes, India is our dear friend, but it's very difficult to do trade with them because the tariffs are too high and the trade barriers are very much obnoxious. He also says not China, not Iran, but India takes a lot of energy and arms from Russia. I mean, okay, understood. I mean, also want to be told that the world listens to when Modi ji speaks, and also we're the most favored nation, because if I calculate the reality, what we are being told from different countries is that we are very expensive to do trade with, and we are addicted to Russian oil, and also US is imposing 25% taxes on us. And I'm still sure that the unbhakts of the Modi government still could go on to the roads and big time posters, they'll post that Modi hai to mumkin hai. Of course it is possible. That's exactly what's happening under the Modi government. And also they're going to say that yes, we have become the global power. I mean, to some reality check. Now let's just read out that when the United States has imposed a 25% tariff on many Indian goods starting August 1, what is it going to affect? So let's talk about the pharmaceuticals, because the earlier tariff was the earlier duty was only 0%, and now it is going to be 25%. So let's hear this. This is a huge impact. Now I'll tell you why, because over 50% of India's pharma exports go to the US. So from 0% to 25%. So total 50% of the pharmaceuticals which goes to the US directly is going to get affected. Let's talk about the gems and jewelry. US buys 30% of India's gold and silver. Just pay the earlier duty was 0%, and now it is going to be 19%. I mean, a lot of companies are going to get affected, and I'm sure the stock market is going to get very much affected. Now you'll see the change. Also, the seafood and shrimp. US buys 41% of India's shrimp exports. That is worth 2.7 billion US dollar. I mean, that's a huge thing. Earlier, the duty was 17.7%, and now it is going to be 25%. So again, a big rise. Textiles is also going to get affected. So the overall impact is going to affect in a certain way that the stock market might just crash. That's exactly what the Modi government has given us. So just for your information and knowledge, the Andhbhakts at least now rise, because now if not you, your generations are going to get affected. And I'm telling you, it's not only your generations, you will see yourself that you are going to get affected.